to you, AFIC parents and children. If you've participated in an AFIC class before, you've probably heard that song. It's our hello song. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to play the chords on ukulele that go with the song so you can strum along as you sing. This is a song that uses 3 different chords. The first one you need to know is called a C chord, and it's when we play with the 3rd finger of our left hand on the 3rd fret of the bottom string, and then we strum all 4 strings. That gives us a C chord. The next chord we need is called an F chord. It uses the first 2 fingers, the peace fingers of the left hand. Your first finger goes on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and your 2nd finger goes on the 2nd fret of the top string, and again we strum all 4 strings. That's an F chord. The 3rd chord we need is kind of tricky. It uses 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3 on your left hand, and it's called a G7. I start building it by taking my 3rd finger and putting it on the 2nd fret of the bottom string. Then I take my 1st finger and put it on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Then we're up on the 3rd string, and we're going to put that middle finger on the 2nd fret. That gives us G7. This one, it's really important that all 3 of your fingers are standing right up on their tips. Take a look at the tips of my fingers and you'll see the lines from the strings. If you can play all 3 of those chords, the next thing to learn is the strumming pattern for the song. Now this song is in 4/4 time, which means there are 4 beats for every measure. We're going to use the first 3 beats of every measure to strum the chord. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put a rest on the 4th beat of every measure and use that rest to change our fingers to the next chord shape. For example, changing from C to F. Strum, 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 change to F. Strum, strum, strum. You can follow along with the chord progression on the screen and give each chord 3 strums and a rest, like this. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3. Now this chord progression actually repeats in the song. So we start on a C chord, go to F, to G7, and then back to C, and then it repeats over again. So it starts on C again, goes to F, back to G7, and ends on C. Let's try this with a beat. We'll use my friend Mr. Clicky, the metronome app, to give us a beat of 60 beats a minute. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 stay. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 switch. Strum, 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 and we're done. For the final challenge in this video, I want you to try and strum and sing along as we do it a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello to you. Hello to you. Hello, hello, hello to you. Hello to you. Hello to you. Hello, hello, hello to you. There we go. So happy practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.